Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. My name's Isaac, and yeah, today is Thursday, February 10th, 2022, and we're getting started a little bit early, but you know, I actually woke up late. The market fell off. Take a look. If you don't believe me, we had unemployment numbers come out better than expected. We had CPI come out better than expected. And the market said, fuck all that. Bow. This is 5:30 right here. 5:30, market came up. Look at this ILC, how on point it was. This is where I wanted my take profit to be. I actually didn't get it. I only took 68 of these 209 pips. But the market came down. But one thing, well, you know what? Let me get ready. We'll start at 6:15. I'm gonna get myself some water, and we'll get it going. Free myself, now I'm up in your way. Alright, what's up, everybody? So just to give you guys some insight on what I'm seeing today, right here at 5:30, we had the news of CPI and unemployment drop. And, well, you could go ahead and see for yourself, it was actually better than expected, right? They're expecting 227,000 forms of unemployment or claims of unemployment. They got 223. Forecast 0.5% on core CPI. They got 0.6. So why did we see this huge rejection or this huge fall off? I don't know. I'm not the one to really know that. But one thing that I do know is that we actually have a clean break of structure, right? We broke out of this, right? From this past week. broke out of this shit, right? 208, 209 right here. I still got to do my trade journal for yesterday. But price broke through it, right? And broke structure to the upside. What we seen was a rejection up here, right? We still got a long way to go. We really do. Because this was the high that was created. So we got to break a structure to the upside, return the order, right? Kind of a break of structure right here. So yeah, that's really what it was, is we had a break of structure to the downside, return the order, and a fall off. But one thing that I do like is I did my fib from the bottom of this ILC, or the bottom of this low, right, from a couple days ago to the high, which occurred yesterday, right before close. And boom, you got a 62%. And you go in a little bit closer and you see that there's a 15-minute golden zone ILC, right here at the 62% area. You can see it's already rejected once, right? So it's a 15-minute, 5-minute. Well, let me just go ahead and show you. 5-minute ILC. 3-minute ILC. Well, you get the point. I don't want to go through all of it. But yeah, we got 4 confirmations, 5 confirmations with the break. We got a few rejections and pushes out. So I really do like this area right here to put a buy in. Even though we're in a major downtrend, you got to trust the 62% retracement. And I mean, we could possibly see this, right? There's an ILC right here at 62%, but yeah, I don't really see anything here at, well, I guess we have the bottom of the wick here at 62%, but I think I like this trade to push up to the upside. So at open, my expectation is for price to probably come down a little bit more, hopefully, to give us a better entry. And we can enter somewhere around here, you know. Because if we enter up here, realistically, our stop loss would need to be about 70 pips. And I know that's pretty standard in a lot of people who trade these indices, right? Because you do need that. Damn, that shit's pushing. Hopefully it comes back down at open. But my opinion is that we should probably see a pushback up to this side, all honesty, and even past it, a breakthrough. But I think the market's recovering, even though it's all red today. I do think the market's recovering overall. So I think it will recover overall, right? It's already broke structure to the upside. So my goal is to go ahead and catch the trade. I mean, if we caught it right here, I don't like 60 pips stop losses, just my opinion. And, you know, that's my biggest problem. And if you guys trade with me and you guys watch these videos, you guys know that I'm pretty tight on my stop losses, right? And yeah, we would need basically 60 pips right here, right, to give us a comfortable breathing room, right? Because the past couple days my stop losses have been too tight, and I've basically been killing myself on these trades. So one thing that I got to do is make sure that my stop losses have enough room to breathe, or, you know, my trades have enough room to breathe. But look at this. On the 5-minute chart, we got a few rejections, 3 rejections at this level, engulfing candle, and now we have another candle that looks like it's pushing up. So hopefully it gives us an entry at 6:30. We're still about 9 minutes away from that. But this is the trade I like right here, the 5-minute. 40 pip stop loss, I could live with that. And then we could you know, TP1, we could take TP1 about right. I mean, we got to see it break through here, so maybe TP1 at 80 pips, TP2 at 100 pips, right? And then we can let the rest ride and see if it comes back up here to 250, because I think it can. I think it could go a hell of a lot further, just to be honest. You've seen what it could do in, you know, an hour. So this is 5:30 right here. As soon as 5:30 hit, boom, fell off. Just to give some insight, this is an ILC that a previous golden zone ILC for a buy. You see it's the green around it. Price actually broke through this, you know, when we had that huge correction back in well, a few weeks ago in January. So this was actually a buy IOC for me, but it came down and, flew right through it. So, um, you know, now I did see that overall. Let me just show you. I could show you better than I could tell you. So take a look at this. This was actually an area that I was looking to buy from, right? I thought price was going to come down, hit this area and push up to the upside is what my thinking was, but it didn't. But one thing that I did notice after the fact, it used it a little bit, pushed up, came back down. It was a key level. There was a lot of support and resistance on this level. A lot of support, a lot of resistance, right? So it's funny. That's why I keep these open. That's why I keep these levels open. That's why my charts look so fucking crazy, is because I think my levels are on point. And if these levels have enough strength, I'm keeping them, right? If it shows me a lot of shit, then I'm keeping it. So that's what happened right here. So we'll see if the market gives us what we need. Sorry. We'll see if the market gives us what we need, which is a little push down, and then we could go ahead and hop into this trade. But it is going to be a dangerous one just because we have this strong push to the downside. We could see price come all the way down here, realistically. We could see it come down to this 61%. Whoops. That's the wrong one. So it is a risky trade because we are in a heavy downtrend, right? So it is risky. I'm not gonna lie. So just know that going into this trade, that this is a risky trade. There is the possibility of losing, and you just gotta, with every trade, understand the risk. What lot size are you gonna put in there? Okay, 40 pips stop loss. So if you got a 0.05 in there, you're risking about $200, right? And you want to make sure that you have a good risk to reward ratio, which I think we do. Overall, I think it can get up here. At worst, I think it gets up here, about 150 pips. So that's a 1 to 3 risk. We want at least a 1 to 3, right? I could see it get right here, 122. This would be a good area to go ahead and take your position out, 122 pips. So we want to make sure that we put in a fire trade, right? So we'll see what the market gives us right here at open. This is the trade I like. I haven't even looked at US30 yet. Let's go ahead and see what US30 is giving us. Let's go to this 30-minute. Niggas died. I got locked around me. Blessings. So you can see this area right here that we had somewhat being respected, right? Resistance, support, 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 resistance. It's all in here, right? It's a strong supply and demand area. But let's see. Let's go from right here. I mean, there's a nice ILC right here too. It just hasn't reached it yet. So we'll see what the market gives us. If it does allow us to go ahead and eat right here, not here, but on US30 on NAS, we'll see. You can see it's already getting a nice push up. So hopefully we didn't miss the trade. I don't like entering right here at pre NY or pre open. So if we miss the trade, we miss the trade. But ugh, you can see it wants to. But hopefully it comes down to our area, gives us an entry, and does what we want it to do. That's the plan. So let's see. Yeah, more. Grab some water real quick. And see, that's why we don't take these trades, you know. I can tell you this. A few months ago, I'm taking this trade right here. I'm jumping in right here. As soon as I see that push up, rejections in that engulfing candle, I'm jumping in that bitch. And now you gotta worry, right? Because now you have a 70 pip stop loss, right? So that's what you gotta worry about is shit like that. But you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens right here. I'm not in the trade, so we got a couple minutes till open, about a minute and a half. So let's see if it gives us what we want right here. Let me get my screens up. Actually, I don't even have my screens up. If the music's too loud, let me know. You know, if you guys can't hear anything, my wife said that I'm boring on here. So, you know, I had to put something on. This is what I listen to. Alright, we got to let your nuts hang. That means it's 6:29. Time to let our nuts hang. Let's get this shit. You see, I like this area, but let's see if it comes down a little bit more at open. Let's see. I don't need your help. So this, I mean, just the way this looks, it looks like it's coming down pretty strong. Let's get ready. So we'll see what's happening right here. Go down to the 1 minute. It's a nice push up to finish it. Oh shit. Alright, let's see. It's kind of sitting there. I'm going to put a little position in right here. 0.02. Let's see if it can get its push up right here. So I'm in there. Let's see. I have a small position in. It's not my usual lot size, but it's, you know, let's see if it gives us the push that we need. Let me show you where I'm in at. So one thing we got to look at is to see if price is going to break this 50 EMA right here. We have the 50 EMA right there, and we'll see if it, you know, breaks through that. Has to break through it. Man, I wish I would have put a bigger lot size. So right now on MT4, it just hit the 50 EMA on the 1 minute. But not quite the same, but look at that rejection. Damn. See if we could get the push up. What I don't like is I really don't see any areas for me to jump back into the trade right here. Like where I could jump in the trade, you know, like okay, take this trade from this area. But let's see, we want this candle to finish bullish. We want it to have a strong push up. You know, there's 5 seconds left. Let's see what it does. All right, this is a key level right here, right? Let's see if it can break through it now. Has to break through. This is a big area right here. If it just rejects it, it could just come down like that, right? So let's see if it's gonna break through it. Still 19 seconds left, so it can definitely come down. I'm in at 756.50. You see the rejection, right? Damn. Yeah, this area is a key level. Alright. Oh, sorry. I'm thinking about right here. So you see that rejection right there. I really don't like it. My stop loss is at break even. Sorry guys. I'm already at break even now. So let's see if it can break through here. I like it. Still 21 seconds left though. And again, I want to try and get up first target right here, but I have a small lot size in. So, damn. I'm really trying to see where I can add a position, but I'm just not too sure. It looks good to break through here though. Let's go. Oh. It happened early. You seen that push happened early in the candle on the 1 minute, right? So on the 1 minute we had a strong push up, but it happened within the first second, or the first 5 seconds. Now you got to go through the rest of the 50 seconds of the candle. So that's the biggest thing is seeing, is price going to use this as a support level, or is it going to still use it as a resistance, right? Because it could still come down from there. So let's just see if it does what we want it to do. It looks good. I might add a position right here, I'm not gonna lie, but it's just, can I? Clean trade. Clean, clean, clean. Let's fucking go. So, I think I'm gonna just let this bitch ride, to be honest. I think I'm gonna let it ride, just because I see that, well, I only have a 0.02 in here, so, it looks good. The 5 minute looks good. It's just touching the bottom of the 5 minute ILC right now. So let's see. So we're at about 70 pips, 67 pips, but look at 5 minute ILC, 1 minute ILC right here, and look at what it did as soon as it got in here. Rejected it. We got 14 seconds left. So let's see what price does for us right here. We needed to use this area as a support level if it comes back down. But this wick is pretty big too, so, let's see. Let's see what happens. This is a benefit of being patient in the market, right? We were patient. We waited for open. We waited for our signal. We took it. Let's fucking go, man. Let's go. About to hit 100 pips pretty soon if we could just keep the momentum. You see it's kind of getting pulled back at this area though, right? We're in the 5 minute ILC. I wouldn't say it's so significant though. Let me show you right here. So just to show you what I'm looking at. So I have the 5 minute chart up as well and the 15 minute chart. This looks beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, it looks beautiful. But one thing that I can see happen is Price break above here, come back down, and then push back up to the upside. I could definitely see that happening. So we'll see what the market gives us right now. We'll see if it's in our favor, and we'll go from there. Man, I wish I would have put a bigger lot size. Yeah, so now we need to see this being used as support. If we see this being used as support, we're in business. Kind of rejected the 20 EMA. It was a little bit closer up top right here. A few pips up top. But now we want to see price get in here and use this as support, this level right here. Reject it and push up to the upside. Depending how this goes, I might add a position right here. We got a hammerhead top, which could signal a reversal back down, but let's see what these last 10 seconds do. How much force is behind it. Because if this bear candle right here engulfs 3 of the last bull candles, I'm not sure. I put in another position. Okay. See, that's clean. I think I'll wait for the end of this candle to go ahead and enter. Ah, shit. I mean, 42 seconds. I think I gotta jump in. Damn. And you know what? It's hard for me to add another position right here because I know I'm in an IOC. I know that a reversal can happen. But let's see. Let's see what the market gives us right here. I still haven't pulled any of my trade. Usually I would have pulled, a 0.02 at this time or something. But, let's fucking go. 110 pips and running. I'm up 210 right, 217 right now. Sheesh. This is a key level right here. Damn. I mean, let's see. Clean trade, right? We're up 100 pips right now, right? But this level's key. So, seen that drop right off of this level. We've seen a bunch of resistance and support here. I want to secure some profits. I'm not gonna lie, cause like I said, like 100 pips ain't nothing to sneeze at, So, 100 pips ain't nothing to sneeze at. And even though I don't have the position sizing that I want in here, I'm not as big in here as I want to be. A 0.02 is cool, right? I'm not saying anything's wrong with that 0.02, but I want to take these profits. Even though I have a good idea that price is going to continue to push up. And that's my issue, right? I always like to secure profits, but I also know that 100 pips ain't nothing to sneeze at. So, I'm going to just wait and see. Fuck it. We'll risk it. Yeah, that shit right there, man. Yeah, I should have. If I would have left the 0.0, because I had a 0.01 in there too. If I would have left that bitch, it would have been cool. But I only secured like $20. It was too high up for me. I like that rejection, but let's see if it could keep it. I like that rejection, but let's see if it could keep it. There's 8 seconds left. You know, like I said, 100 pips ain't nothing to sneeze at, but damn, I didn't put in the right position sizing, so we'll see. We'll see. I like it. Let's fucking go. It has to push from here now. Come on, man. Break through that motherfucker. Break through it. Still 30 seconds left, which gives me a little cause to pause, but let's see. Damn. See? 30 seconds left on that motherfucking candle. Fuck, you know. Let's see now. I think I'm going to pull my trade right here because I think it could retrace back down. We got possibly see a W forming. Um, I want to secure this. I want to secure these dollars right here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to secure my dollars right here. And let's see if it gives us another entry. Alright. So I secured my 180 right here. And I'm going to see if I could get in on the retrace. My boy said he didn't, I think he missed this push up right here. But let's see if we could get in right here on the retrace. I think he comes back down to our level, truthfully. Oh, what did I get? 90, fuck, 88. Alright. Oh, I got 181. So caught 90. I mean, it could push up from here and I'll be pissed at myself, but, you know, just got to see what the market's going to give us. So I pulled my position at about 80 pips. I'm sorry, 91 pips. 90, 91 pips, somewhere around there. Now let's see if the market gives us what we need and what we want. You know, one thing that I like to see, truthfully, is I like to see price get above this high right here. Even though it's like an insignificant lower high, I like to see it get above there. Which would be going against what I want because I already pulled my trade. But when I see this W forming, see it coming back down here, possibly to this zone here, right at the level that we originally wanted to buy at, and then pushing up to the upside. So let's see. We're still seeing a lot of rejections at this level, right? And again, this is why my shit is the way it is. You know, some people, like, I know a lot of these pro traders probably wouldn't like the way my charts look, but this is what I need to see, right? I need to see these lines. I keep these lines here for a reason, these levels set for a reason, so you could see, right? Boom, rejections here. Boom, support here. Boom, right? So I try to keep all these levels. Once I see they're significant, I keep them. When they're insignificant, I'll toss them, you know? And that's just cleaning your charts up, you know, at the end of the week, at the end of the month, whatever it may be. So let's see what price gives us right here. So I'm out of the trade now. I'm waiting for a retracement. I think it could come back down to our level. So, you know, let's see what it does. I think what we can see is kind of those W formations that I've been calling out all week. We see this a little bit below these lows, right? And then we see the rejection up to the upside where we could start matching these highs, right? So, and this is a big area. I mean, when you go to the 15-minute chart, it's clean, right? Super clean. So, and that's a huge 15-minute candle. So I might even be thinking too, you know, it might be a little bit of a stretch, but I think it can happen. You know what I mean? But we'll see. Five-minute candles right here. Clear rejection. Let's see what it does. So on this particular trade, I caught 91 of the potential, damn, 122. So I missed out on an additional, like, you know, 30 pips, but it's all right. Man, price could push up from these levels right here. You see how it rejected the 20 EMA right here? Just a little one, right? It's nothing crazy, but it's just showing that little bit of respect, right? I wouldn't take the trade. Oh, shit. I wouldn't take the trade, but it could. Down below. Man, it's a little slow and steady, and for the last 2 seconds for it to finish bullish like that kind of means it could push up. Ooh, like that. Fuck. There it was. Yeah, that was it. Damn. Damn. Well, that didn't go the way I wanted it to go. Motherfucker. Fuck. I need a little bit more retracement than that. Damn. Shit. Now that makes me a little irritated, right? Because that 91 is at 144 if I just leave it in there. Damn. Pretty pissed off about that. But, you know, fuck it. It is what it is. So, you know, we'll see. I mean, I did say I wanted it to come up above here, but with that push right there, I mean, I don't see how it comes down. So, now what I want to see, let's just go back to the basics right here. Basic shit. Right here. It's not the cleanest. It's not clean at all because we don't have a lot of rejections or resistance points here. But maybe we could see a retrace back down here once it hits the 5-minute. It's approaching the 5-minute right now. Maybe we see a retrace down from here, and we could go ahead and enter our position right here. So let's see. Draw out the 5-minute real quick. There's the 5-minute right here. So let's see, we got a little bit of support, resistance, right? It's not like a clean support and resistance, but you know, I'll take it. And we'll see if price could come back down, boom, and then push up to the upside. See what it does right here. Damn. Closed way too early on the position, but you know, let's see if it you know, let's see. Ray. Who could rap? That I party that. Facts. Alright. I mean, the 5-minute looks so fucking beautiful, it's crazy. But we'll see what happens right now. Just started the new 5-minute candle. How many M's you make this year? Horrible. Looks like it could break through right here, but we'll see. Yeah, look at, boom. Damn, I'm fucking pissed, bro. Off the recede. I'm on the verge of it. Fuck. 190 pips right now. And I only caught 91. That's the shit that gets me irritated. Got fucking spooked right here when I should have been looking to add positions right here. Damn. So let's see if it rejects this, because it still hasn't necessarily gone out of it right on the 5-minute chart. You know, there's not a lot shown right here, but we'll see what it does right here, because we don't have any IOCs really built, right? Yeah, right here at the 50%, but it's not even at the 50%, it's on top of the 50%, so, you know. See that? Alright, go. So remember, this is the 5-minute 50 5-minute 50 EMA right here that it's rejecting. think 835 would be a good entry right here, lined up with this. So see if it rejects it. It's not really giving it to us, right? So I'll be down to look for something like this. Maybe we see it come back down to this 1 minute ILC right here, but the thing is it's only one 1 minute ILC. So we'll see what it gives us, right? And it would be a 46 pip stop loss, so you gotta be mindful of this shit, right? How many people got shot? Fuck around with these dots. This was our original plan trade, right? I mean, it looks like price actually might break through that motherfucker up there, so we'll see. Exactly what I said, right? Might break through that motherfucker right there. Oh, I'm so mad at myself. How many people got shot? Damn, bro. This shit is crazy. I'm just... Perfect entry. Zero drawdown. 200 pips. Fucking wow. Ah. That's fucking crazy. some niggas make millions. All right, so look at this is what I'd be looking for right here. Even though it doesn't show much on this 3-minute chart, we got some nice IOCs. So let's see what it gives us, because on the 15-minute right here, you can see it's approaching the 15-minute now. It's already kind of blown past all of this, right? So like, let's say if we wanted to take the trade from this level right here. 70% retracement, but look at what I see. Bunch of support. Resistance, 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 support, support, support. And look at how I rejected that area. Let me actually draw out the 15-minute. Man, this shit might just blow through everything. That shit's nuts. Still about 20 seconds left on this candle. Man, I'm thinking about selling right here. But, I mean, I guess, you know, when you look at it on a scalping level, this might be the area to sell from, but I don't know. Still looks like it has some momentum behind it. Yeah, no, there's nothing for me to sell right here. I mean, it could reject, but my boy just sold. Probably seeing what I'm seeing right here, but fuck it. Because really, if you look at it, the break of structure happened right here, right? When these lows were broken. Alright. Alright. I'm in this trade. I'm gonna keep a tight stop loss, and we'll see what happens right here. Let's see if it can fall off right here. Yeah, it doesn't have a lot of push behind it. Really, no push behind it. Yeah, see, really no push. Down. The push looks like it looks like it's getting pulled to the upside, right? I'm in at 71.48. Small position of 0.02. Let's see if it could come down from here. Nah. Yeah, last 41 seconds. So there's 20 seconds left, 15 seconds left. If it finishes bullish, then I think it's going up. Yeah, it looks like it's getting pulled up. That's the bad thing. But I'm going to keep my stop loss just above, and then if it hits, you know. Yeah. Now I pulled my trade. Lost about 50 bucks right there. So, is what it is. 56.44 is what I lost. So yeah, here's the 15-minute. Yeah, so I lost 56 on that position. And, you know, honestly, it was an unnecessary trade. I'm just thinking this thing has to um, reject. Lost about 25 pips. But I think the cleaner one would be up here. If we don't see a break above this high, then it's going to fucking continue and make its move up, you know? See how these last 15 seconds happen? Because remember, that now it's rejecting the 15-minute 50 EMA. See if it could blow down. Alright, I like that. I just entered a small sell. And let's see if it, this will be my last trade of the day. I'm not going to sit here and trade this all day. And I'm really going on the confirmation of the IBC, the breaker candles, right? Came in, respected the breaker candles, even this one here. So let's see if it could just continue down to the downside. I'd like to see this candle turn bearish right now. still very early in the candle, but it looks like it's going to go up. I think this thing is just flying, going with the news, but we'll see. This is my last position, my last entry. We'll see what price gives us. Alright, let's see if it gives us what we want. Alright. I'm in at 82.05 and 78.77. I'm thinking about moving my stops to break even already, just because I don't want to lose some money unnecessarily. You know what I mean? Nah. It's rejecting this 20 EMA, right? Which we don't want to see. We want to see it break through the 20 EMA, but showing a lot of respect right there.